Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a melting candle. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the melting candle. The candle is melting a lot. It seems like a nest, but it's not. The candle has eyes and nose. Let's start coloring. I'm using pink. Now I'm using my red pen. Now I'm using my orange pen. I'm using my yellow pen. Now for the candle, I'm using a pale orange colored crayon. Let's do it faster. I'm using a yellow-green pen. I'm using my green-colored pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.